You hear it. But looking rough inside. I get a cut like Saturday type shit. Yeah, we going to court. I know it's supposed to be about this channel supposed to be about the scat blog and shit, but it's about the owner too. Court little shit, party big shit, family shit. But you know how that go. You know how that go. It's cool though. We ain't gonna let that hold us and bring us down. Shit happens for a reason. Type shit. But that's what we're doing today. It's the next day, guys. And we should be getting our Christmas shit for the car today. We'll see if we can find it. For me, broke nigga alert, and I need gas too. Bro, this tire is pissing me off. It's like, what the fuck? Shit's on 26. And I need to see fucking. If I might put shit on my car, I don't really know. Let's see what's up. I'm fucking tired, need some air. I think I got a hole in it. I gotta patch my shit up for me. Gotta patch my shit up for me. Did let's see what's going on. We might get in the Christmas spirit, who knows? All depending on what we about to try to do type shit. Bro, go, man. Shit, nigga. Get some gas. Get some gas, get some gas, get some gas. Gas in this motherfucking Scattiana. Scattiana. You know, that's all we have to do is get some fucking gas. Then we need to put some in this fucking tire. This is wrecking me. Shit. I hit y'all back when niggas is set. You're walking to court and shit. Have to park the whippy. You dig? You dig? It's cold as a motherfucker in this motherfucker. Like dogs. Shit, man. About to see what's going on. Bullshit that shit. Let me come with the slides on. Gotta get comfortable. Dogs. Fuck out of here. This nigga got a bald head, nigga. Oh, dogs. But yeah, you better hit the stage and shit. See what's going on. It is.
Not worried. If he's a so fatal.
Oh, I forgot he back over here. So we in the South Bay.
I should have worn a longer jacket.
Oh, nigga, you trying to look cute for your niggas in court. See the fucking scat in the fucking city, man. You feel me? We about to go to motherfucking Party City. Oh shit, missed. About to go to. No, I'm trying to hit the holes. We in Party City and shit. About to see what's cracking, lacking. See if they got them antlers. Antlers on decky. You think I could walk in the store with the mask on? It's cold, bitch. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, we about to see what's going on, type shit. For real? Yeah. Don't mind that. Damn, nigga. You ain't lying. Shit. Still got Halloween shit in here? I'm about to put skeletons on my car. I think she following me. I think it's on the other aisle. Shit. I think look me in my eyes. Oh shit. Goddamn. Damn. Damn, they don't got shit in Party City, nigga. You serious? They don't got no. That's crazy. They don't got no Christmas shit? Oh. He's at work, so I could pull up on him, get him fired. Shit. They don't got shit in here, though. Damn. Boss man, y'all don't got no Christmas stuff here?
Not gonna happen.
Oh shit. Damn, you right. That's it. Yeah, they don't got none. Come on. What? Oh shit, it's right here. Nigga, $15, nigga? Nigga got that name on. Nigga on BD grave. Bro, you trying to get that shit? You trying to get that shit? Yo, $15, nigga. Think I should get this? Niggas about to be hating in this city, nigga. Pull up in the scat. Like I'm a bitch. Nigga, you never gonna be here for Christmas, you're a pussy ass. I'm trying to understand that, I wanna put a...
You're supposed to clip it onto the thing.
That shit look crazy. I'm gonna get this, guys, for the car. This is the kit. For me, I think I should get that shit on phone. But we still going to Target, too. No cap. Alright, we gonna get this shit. And we'll get up out of here. Type shit. Hold on, Daddy. Type shit. Alright. They in Boston, man. Everybody's in the Christmas spirit, man. Feel me? But you know that scat looking delicious. Yeah, you see it. Well, let me turn my lights on. Oh my god. Nigga said, let me turn my lights on. Oh my god. Feel me? Yeah, nigga. You see them ears, nigga? You see the ears, nigga? See the ears, nigga? Woohoo! Your boy about to be ho in the scat, nigga. That's the glow Christmas, feel me? Glow miss, you feel me? You know what they be doing in the videos, having their music playing. I ain't trying to get monetized though.
Feel good, but that shit took when a bitch suck the ball. It's a major league, stay on the bitch if you can't fucking ball, nigga. Motherfucker, bitch, nigga.